Morning, everyone. Today is July 14th, 2022. In this video, we're going to be talking about GameStop and a stock split. Currently, today, before market open, it is 141 for one share. For one share of GameStop, it costs 141. On July 18th is when they're starting their 4-for-1 stock dividend, which means people will receive for every one stock, you get three stocks. I don't know, it sounds weird, but that's basically kind of how it goes. So the price would change from its 150 to about either 50, $25 if it's still around 140, but it gets split based on the price on the closing date, which is July 18th. And outside of that, when people would get their shares on July 22nd. It's like a little waiting game. But even outside of that, this is the time, guys, or if you're not in, if 150, if 100, 200, or whatever it gets to before the ending of July 18th, whatever that price is, if that's too high for you, just know on the 22nd, it's going to be a cheaper price for you. It's going to be a cheaper price. You're going to be able to get in at a lower price. And for the people who was holding and got them new shares, we get to add on the low. We get to add at a cheaper price, basically. We get to add at a lower price. So that's why it would have helped to get in before the stock split. Now it's like 150. That's a lot to get a few shares. But when it changes, 141, pardon, when it changes to like about 50, 20, 75, or 20, whatever, people's going to have enough to pick that up. So it's like, I would tune them to these dates. Again, July 18th, that's when the stock split begins. July 22nd is when it ends. You will have your shares on July 22nd. The new adjusted price will begin on July 22nd. You might honestly have your shares before that, but July 22nd is basically when everything should be done, because once again, it's going to be trading at its adjusted new price on the 22nd. So I'll be paying attention for that. I'll be paying attention to stocks that's doing stock splits. I'll be paying attention to stocks that's doing dividends. This is GameStop. GameStop does have a stock, guys. If you don't know about GameStop, check it out. If you want a free stock to start trying to look at it, check the link in my description. But outside of that, guys, pay attention to what's going on with the stocks that you personally invest in. Stay up to date. That's how you end up finding out what's going on without having to be a pro. You just stay up to date on the news and make it make sense to yourself. Like if you was to hear it's going to be a stock dividend, make it make sense to yourself. Look up what is a stock dividend. What does that mean to have a stock dividend as a shareholder of a company? That's it. It's simple stuff. It's not complicated. It's not hard to figure out. Like that's it. So hope that was informative to some of you people. I hope if you have not heard about GameStop, you decide to at least look into it and see what they got going on. They definitely just opened up their NFT marketplace website that they've been working on or been holding back. So I check that out, guys. Definitely check that out. Get in to see what they're talking about, and definitely check out GameStop stock price. Definitely check out GameStop stock price, especially after it's already settled in. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys.